MX-100cc Chinese dirt bike. It's a 4-speed clutchless 100cc little pit bike type deal. It's pretty good. It's more of a beginner type bike. Takes me pretty good. I'm about 5'8" and I can fit on it okay. These aren't that bad of bikes. They're cheap Chinese bikes, but they work good. Got the back brake, nice and big back brake. Exhaust pipe, the rusty kickstarter. The tires are actually pretty big. I bought this used, $200 off Craigslist. It's all dirty up in there, 'cause I drew through over there. That's all wet in there. Exhaust pipe. Sounds okay. You go down to a higher gear and up into a lower gear. Throttle, brake, front brake, kill switch, front brake, back brake. This is all the gas tank. It's a pretty big gas tank. You got the peacock for the fuel shut off. You got on, reserve, and off. The carb. Mine runs a little weird. Needs to be cleaned. The carburetor, airbox, chain and stuff. I'm gonna adjust the carburetor so it doesn't sound like crap, because something wrong with it. When you start it in neutral, it just revs all the way up and it opens itself out. So I'm gonna adjust the screw back out, and then I'll start it. Alright, I don't know how well it's gonna work to start it. Do a cold start, flip it out, make sure there's the gas. Yeah, I'm not gonna choke it. One kick. I don't want to rev it up too high. See, it doesn't sound right. It doesn't sound good right now. The carb needs to be clean. I ain't gonna ride it now. Sounds a little bad right now, it needs to be cleaned.